Okay, shall we start?
Just collecting a few to share.
Okay.
So did I share 27? I shared 23. Yes, okay. I think we did the one that I just answered. Yes, sir. Okay, I sent past papers, and now I'll share some quadratic questions that come from here. So I will also do some GP questions.
Okay.
Like what does GP come from? I don't know where to find GP specific question.
Geometric progression?
Yeah, because it's like 30 marker is just sequences. So quadratic and arithmetic I'm able to do, but geometric I use the formula, but I'm not able to do it.
Okay, can you send me some of the questions from geometric?
I think some of those past papers will have, but I'm just trying to find more.
Okay. Shall I start then?
Oh, 1 second, so I'm just going through a past paper finding that one geometric progression.
Okay. Please take your time.
Um, yes, okay, I found it.
Okay.
Oh, it's very long, so I have to send it in a few screenshots.
No issue. छोड़ो पर्दे गिरा दो
Okay, I sent it.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with this question. The question says, in the graph below, the function fx is equal to 2x plus 4. So this is a straight line. You have to understand that 2x plus 4 is always a straight line. Intersects gx at x minus 1 whole square minus 2 at a point a and b. So these are the 2 points, and this is your function x minus 1 whole square minus 2. Okay, it intersects at 2 points a and b. You have to show that when the two graphs intersects, x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means they are asking you to put a condition, the intersection of the two graphs. So how to do that? So you will say, when the two graphs are intersect, so where it will intersect? So let us equate 2x plus 4 with, so two graphs will, see, so you have to understand first. I am being too fast, so I have to make you understand. Suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis, right? So what is a graph of parabola? The graph of parabola is a collection of all the points which satisfies this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Are you getting it? Or you can equate this equal to y. Are you getting it? All these points are actually the collection of all the x, for all x and y. You put in x, you will get a y. You plot a point, all these points are the y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. These are the collections. So this graph is a parabola. Understood this part?
Yes.
Similarly, they are saying there is another function y is equal to ax plus b, and this function is always a straight line. This function is always a straight line. So that means this particular line is a collection of points which satisfies this equation. Which satisfies this equation. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now these 2 points are what? These 2 points are the points where this equation has become equal to this equation. Understood now?
Yes.
So what we will do? We will write 2x plus 4 is equal to, what is the other equation? X minus 1 whole square minus 2. Understood?
Yes.
So we will write 2x plus 4 is equal to, open this, you will have x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2. So bring everything on this side. So you will write 0 is equal to x square minus 2x. 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1. When you bring 2x on this side, it will become minus 2x. When you bring 4 on this side, it will become minus 4. Now if you see this equation, this is going to be x square minus 2x is 4x. And minus 1 minus 4 is how much? Minus 5, which is equal to 0. This is what is being required to prove.
Okay, so you just equate them to each other.
Yeah, you just equate this equation to this equation, and automatically you have to simplify this and made it into one equation.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Now the next step is to factorize this quadratic polynomial.
Yes.
So how to factorize this? So you have to find two numbers. You have to find two numbers whose multiplication is, let us say, if you compare the quadratic equation, it is going to be ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic, okay? So the first step is to multiply a and c. What is the first step? To multiply a and c. So what is a here? 1. What is c here? C is minus 5. So when you multiply 1 and minus 5, what you will get? You will get minus 5. Are you getting it? Now you have to think of two numbers whose product is minus 5 and whose sum is minus 4. So you can easily find
Product is minus 5 and sum is minus 4.
Yes. So the answer is minus 5 and 1. So what you will write? You will write this as x square minus 5x plus x. See, minus 5 and 1. You split it minus 4 into minus 5x and plus x. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you will take x common from there. You will get x minus 5. Again from this two you will get plus 1 common. You will write x minus 5 is equal to 0. So you will write x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0.
So to find points A and B, you have to solve for the roots.
Yes, solve for the roots. That's good.
So can you also use that minus b plus minus square root of b
Yes.
square minus?
Yeah, if you remember, that quadratic formula, you remember that formula?
Yes.
But that formula is a very huge formula. So you have to write alpha is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.
Okay.
Yes. See, if you do that in the, yeah, so if you remember this formula, it's very easy. You can see this. So b minus b means how much? 4. Minus b means minus of 4 is plus 4 plus minus under root. B square is how much? 16.
4. So 4 square.
16. Minus 4 into 5 is 20. So plus 20. See? Minus 4 into 5 into, yeah, are you getting it?
Yeah.
Divided by 2.
You use this to solve. So just to find points, you find the roots.
Yeah, just to find the points, you have to find the value of x. These are the two values of x, but these are not the 2 points. These are the value of x. Now you have to put that value of x in this equation to find the value of y.
Yes.
So let us solve this. So we will get 4 plus minus 6 by 2. So 4 plus 6 by 2 is how much? 5. And 4 minus 6 by 2 is how much? Minus 1. So anyways, you are getting the same number, 5 and minus 1. Are you getting it? From here also you will get 5 and minus 1. So when you put x is equal to 5, what you will get? 2 into 5 plus 4, 14. So one of the point is 5 comma 14. Are you getting it?
Wait, why are you doing like this? I don't understand this step.
Okay, fine. So you try to understand the whole question.
Oh, okay, so you use 2x plus 4.
Yes, I used 2x plus 4. Why? Because from both of them, we will get the same value. We equated them, right?
Yeah.
If we equated them, that means we are getting the x, which when we put the x here as well and here as well, we will get the same value. That's what we found
So
x.
it doesn't matter which one you use as long as they equate to each other.
Yeah, you have to equate both. See, to find these 2 points, you have to equate and find the value of x. Let me write the steps.
Yeah.
So step 1, equate both the functions and solve for x. Understood? Step 2, substitute the value of x in any function. You can substitute in any function, okay, to get the value of y. Okay, if it is a quadratic, you will get 2x. So for 2x, you will get 2y values.
For 2x, you get 2y?
Yeah, for every x, you will get 1y.
Okay.
If suppose it is a cubic, then you will get 3x. For every x, you will get 1y, so 3y.
Yeah.
It was a quadratic, so for quadratic you always get two values.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Shall I continue?
Yes.
Okay. So in this, you will get 2 into 5, 10 plus 4, 14. So 5 comma 14 is one of the answer. Can you tell me what will be the other answer?
You got 5, 14 because you did 2 into 5 plus 4. So then it'll be 2 into minus 1 plus 4. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2.
So you will get minus 1 comma 2. Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to tell me the point A. Can you tell me what is the point A?
So point A is 5 comma. No, it's minus 1 comma 3.
Okay. So A is minus 1 comma 2. What is B?
B is 5 comma 14.
Okay. B is 5 comma 14. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now you have been asked to find the distance AB. So you know what is the formula for distance? Distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 5 minus 1 whole square is how much? 6 square. You can write the formula. If you want, I can write the formula. Formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay?
Yes.
So 5 minus minus 1 will be 6 square and 14 minus 2 will be 12 square. So AB will be under root of 6 square is 36 and 144. So you will write 36 plus 144. So 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 8, so 180. Okay, now in 180, this is not the final answer that you should write. You should write in a way that has to be understood in a understandable language. So you have to simplify this. So you can simplify, you can write this as 36 into 5. I think 36 into 5 is 180. If you do the prime factorization of 180, you can write like this: 9 into 20, 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Are you getting it? So I was searching for the squares. So you can see that 9 and 4 are the squares. So I can write it as, out of this 9 and 4, I can take 3 and 2 outside. So the answer will be 6 root 5. This is the final answer. Did you get that?
So you can just use distance formula and find it.
If you left with this also, you are not getting at the same time, you can write the answer like this as well, but the final answer is this, because you said that in your options you have multiple options to write. Okay, the same answer can be, so you can write 180 as well, that will be fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Understood now?
Yeah.
See again, listen again. So you have been given two functions intersects. So they are asking you when the two graphs intersects. When two graph intersects means you have to equate them. So when you equate them, you get a new equation. You will get a new equation, x square minus 4x minus 4. When you equate them, you will get automatically get a new equation. Okay. When you equate them, please remember this point. When you are moving one thing on the other side, it has to be left with 0. Most of the students forget about 0. So you have to write 0 as well. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Now the second part was to solve those 2 points to find the value of 2x, where the graph touches, intersects each other. After finding 2x, you solve the roots like minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. After doing that upon 2a, after doing that, what you will do? You will put those values in any of these equations to find the value of y. And then with your common sense, you can tell a is what and b is what. Understood?
Yes.
And then the last part was to find the distance. Distance is this formula you can use for the distance. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt in any of the formulas, sir? Why this formula is there?
So the first one you have to equate it to each other to find that.
Yeah.
Then
Why
you
you are equating? Why you are equating?
to
How?
make it like the same.
No. This line suggests you to equate them. See, what does this line suggest you? When the two graphs intersect,
Yeah.
the values are equal, so you will equate. This line suggests you to equate them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After equating them, you will get equation 0, something like equation you will get. So that first part is proved. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now they have asked you to find the coordinates. To find the coordinates, you will solve for that equation. You will solve this equation as a quadratic. So you will find 2x like minus b plus minus under root b. You will solve for roots. Roots means you will solve this equation where they are intersecting with each other.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now when you got two values of x where they are intersecting with each other, you will substitute this value of x in any of these equations to get the corresponding value of y. Understood?
So by that you just mean you put it into the formula.
Yeah, put into this formula. Means you are finding f of x is given, so you will find f of, what was that? 5. So instead of x you will put 5 here.
Okay.
Understood? After finding the corresponding value of y, you will mark those 2 points at a and b, and then you will find the distance using this formula. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Now moving on to the next question. So it is also a function only. It is also a function only. The function is given as at square plus bt plus c. Now if you see the square part, what kind of function is this? What kind of function is this?
Quadratic.
Quadratic. Very good. What kind of function is this? Quadratic. Now the second part is it opening upward or is it opening downward?
Downward.
So downward means the coefficient of x square is negative. So you will get immediately understand that a is negative. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see. So this is the path of a shuttlecock. It starts from 0, 0.8 and then it will reach up to this point. Okay. Okay. Now they are asking you, st is the height from the ground and t is the time taken. So this is the height. This is the time taken by the shuttlecock to reach that height. Okay. So for example, if I ask you what is the height taken by the shuttlecock in reaching, so this is the time. We don't know the time. Time is also not given. Shuttlecock is also not given. But there are certain points which are given. This point, and this point. Okay.
Yeah.
Now A, B, C are the constant. We know that A, B, C are the constant.
Constant.
The first question is determine the values A, B and C in the equation. So how to find the values of A, B and C in the equation? So we can substitute these values here. So let us substitute the first value, that is 9.7. So 9.7 is 80 square. So instead of t, what you can write? You know that t is given as 1.4. 1.4 plus 1 whole square plus 1.4 into b plus c. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So I just substituted the value of t and h height in this particular polynomial. Understood? Okay. Now,
Why did you use 1.4?
yeah, I could have used some other as well. I will use all the three, don't worry. So the first point I will use is 0.8 is equal to a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. So we got c as 0.8. We got c as 0.8. Now we will substitute the value of this point. So this point is what? So we will write 0 is equal to a into 2.8 whole square plus 2.8 into b plus 0.8. Are you getting it?
Okay, so you're replacing t with each value.
Yes, then only we can find the value of a, b and c.
Yeah.
So the first we got the value of c, and then I am substituting the value of c in the rest of the two equations to find the value of a and b. So from this equation I will get 1.96 times a plus 1.4 times b is equal to c. I will take on the other side, so it will become 9.7 minus 0.8, so which is equal to 8.9, I think 8.9. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, I have just taken c on the other side. So this is my first equation. So the second equation will be, if I start from here, the second equation will be 28 square is equal to 7.84 times a plus 2.8 times b is equal to minus 0.8. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So is there any other way to find these values?
I'm not sure.
Also, a, b and c are the constants in the equation. At square plus bt plus c. Oh my god. No, we can't find the value because nothing is given. A, b and c has to be given. So they have given only t and h. Yeah, this is the only way that to find. Okay.
Yeah.
But how many marks of this question is? Can you tell me?
Let me go find it.
Yeah, because I doubt that we are taking much of the time in just solving a single 1 mark question. If it is of 1 mark only, I think there should be of 4 marks.
Yeah, if this is 1 mark, then I would have just ignored it.
But is that any? So this is a very easy question. Determine the maximum height reached by the shuttlecock. So the maximum height is 9.7.
Yeah, that one's easy.
Comment on the degree of accuracy of the height reached by the shuttlecock. Comment on the degree of accuracy. Degree of accuracy depends on how you comment on that.
Oh, so don't worry about that. That you just have to start like writing whatever.
Okay. So degree of accuracy of the height reached by the shuttlecock is, you can say 10th. What is the degree of accuracy? It is nearest to 10th. See,
Oh, so that's not how we write it.
Okay, but just for me, I'm just letting you know. Suppose your weight is 60 kg.
Oh, yeah.
So suppose your weight is 60 kg. So if I ask you what is your weight, you will say mass is 60 kg. But if I say, is it between, it is more than 60.1 or it is between 60.2? Is it greater than 60.2 or it is greater than 60.1? So you will say, sir, it is 60.1. Then I will ask you, is it 60.15 or it is 60.20? So you will say, sir, it is 60.12. So you see, as we are going towards more and more decimals, the degree of accuracy is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
so I lost the question. I'm just trying to find it again.
suppose I ask you how much, what is the size of this? You will say, sir, 15 centimeter. I will say, is it more than 15 centimeter or less than 16 centimeter? So you will say, sir, more than 15 but less than 16. So between 15.15 to 15.25. So as we write more and more decibels, the degree of accuracy is increased. So the degree of accuracy as per me is nearest to 10th, because you have been given 7/10. Okay, are you getting it? And it is 7/10 means, 7/10 means what? So if I ask you 9.7 meter, so 9 meter and 70 centimeter. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So degree of accuracy is, as per me, it is nearest to centimeter, 70 centimeter, 10th of a centimeter. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
If I need to comment, I will comment like that only.
I'm just trying to find the question again. Where did it go? I think this question would be like around 6 months.
Sure?
Not sure, but based on like the rest of my papers that I'm like, it could be 6 months.
Just just give me a minute. I have a subscription for the chat GPT as well. So
Okay.
in the meantime, we will also get the real solution as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was the question. We need to find the value of A, B, and C. Na? Just I am searching it out if I am doing the right way, or is there any other easier way.
Yes, sir.
What about the probability? Are you confident now?
Yes, sir. I'll do Excel for that as well.
See this, how they got the quadratic equation has A, B, and C from solving the system using the 3 points. So they have solved using the 3 points. Okay, now see this. The height 9.7 meter is based on the accurate interpolation using the quadratic equation from 3 precise data. 3 precise data. Since the function is continuous and symmetric and all the values are calculated algebraically, we can say the degree of accuracy is high, assuming the measurements provided height and time are accurate and free from experimental error. This is what you need to write. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now they are asking you determine the maximum height reached by the shuttlecock. So it is 9.7 meter. It is already given there.
Yeah.
How they found A, B, and C? So C is already found 0.8. We need to find A and B. Let us see. Uh, give steps to find A and B. I'm just searching if it is using the same, because you will be allowed with the calculator, right?
Yeah. So all we have to know is the concepts and how to do it.
Yeah.
Because obviously it's calculated.
So you see the first equation was found using the same. I substituted 0. So C found to be 0.8. Okay. Then you have two equations. Can you see that? This is what I made. 1.96A plus 1.4B is equal to 8.9. And the second equation was 7.84 plus 2.8B is equal to minus 0.8. Right? You know how to solve these equations?
No, not really.
Okay. Then you must learn. or how you will do it.
Yeah, because you got that far, but then what's the point?
Yeah, so that's so up to here. Any doubt? You got these equations, right? Same equations.
Yeah.
So what you need to do is you have to eliminate any one of the part from here. So you can see that B is 2.8 here and B is 1.4 here. So I multiply this equation by 2. So I will get what is 2 into 1.96. So it is 3.2 into 6 is 12. 3.92 times A plus 2.8 times B is equal to 2 into 9 is 18. 2 into 8 is 16. So 17.8. So what I am doing it, I am eliminating. I am trying to eliminate one variable, any one of the variable.
Okay, so if you eliminate it, then you can find it.
Yes, so I eliminated B. Now I will subtract. So when I will subtract, 4 minus 2 is, so 3.92 and 7.84. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 78 minus 39 is going to be 3.92 only. So this is 3.92 times A. This will get cancelled out. And when you subtract this, 8 plus 8, this will be added. So 18.8. Are you getting it? Minus 18.8. So A will be minus 18.8 divided by 3.92.
So is this just simultaneous equations?
What? Yeah, simultaneous pair of linear. You got two equations, simultaneous pair of linear equation only, A and B. You get in X and Y, so this is of A and B. That's it.
Okay. So first you have to replace the value of t for each equation. Then you have to
Yeah.
simultaneous. But then how do you know that one of the values is c? Like how did you know that?
Okay, fine.
0.8 is c.
Yes. Okay, so you had the equation AT square plus BT plus C. This is what you had. You have been given the first point as, this point you have been given as 0, 0.8, right?
Yes, sir.
0 is the value of time. So when time was 0, you will get A into 0 plus B into 0 plus C must be equal to what? 0.8.
And since everything else is 0, you just cancel out.
So you got C is equal to 0.8. So
okay, understood.
C is always known as y-intercept. You can try to understand from here as well.
Oh, so that means 2.8, 0 is the x-intercept.
It is not x-intercept. Yeah, you can say x-intercept. Correct.
Yeah.
This is x-intercept.
But C is always y-intercept. It never has a x.
Yeah, C is always y-intercept.
Okay.
Y is equal to mx plus c. C is, see, when you put x is equal to c, see this. In this equation, if I write y is equal to mx plus c, if you put x as 0, you will get c only.
Yeah.
And this is the point where the graph touches the y-axis when x is 0. Let me show you in the graph as well. So once you understand the concept, it is very easy for you to understand. See this. So I am just writing a random equation. So 2x plus 4. So you see 4 is the C.
Yeah.
And let me write any other equation. So this equation only I am changing. 2x square. I am making it 2x square. Okay. So 2x square plus 4x. And if I write plus 4, what will happen? Plus 7. Let me write plus 7. You will see the graph is going to touch 7. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So the first point is always 0, C. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Understood how to do all the 3 questions?
Yeah.
Maximum height is clearly it is written at 1.4.
Like over there, what maximum height is.
Yeah.
And comment is just you have to talk, which I can do that. And
yes.
then A is. So I think for this question, it'll be C2, D1, and A6.
C you got as 0.8.
Oh no! I'm talking about not the answer. So in our school, like for the internal exam, like all the exams, there are multiple criteria, 4 criteria, and then each question will have some combination of the criteria. So this one has A because you're using a lot of math. Then C is commenting, which is criteria D, and then criteria C is like solving, like your steps. So I think it'll be C2, D1, and then A5 or 4 maybe.
Yes.
So yeah, I was right. 6 marks, the entire thing.
Okay, shall we go ahead now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This question, I think you can easily tell me.
Yeah. So I just wanted to double check. So this one is just it's reflecting over the y-axis, so it's like
X is equal to 0. Okay.
Is it?
Yes. See the distance. The distance from the y-axis is same.
Yeah.
So what is the equation for y-axis? In the y-axis, x is always 0. So the equation is x is equal to 0. Write down the equation for the line. So equation for the line is x is equal to 0. Okay?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Suppose that this is here. Now can you tell me what will be the equation?
X is equal to 5?
Okay, let me check. So 1 unit from here, 1 unit from here, 1 unit from here, 1 unit from here. So in between you will meet. This is your reflection.
Okay, so it's x is equal to 4 now, right?
X equal to minus 1.5. This is 0. So this is minus 1. This is minus 1.5.
Okay, so I thought you were counting at the whole, not just the single, like the line. Okay.
This is a single line. So any line which is parallel to y-axis, the equation is x is equal to a. A is the point where the line is passing on the x-axis. So it is passing at minus 1.5 comma 0. So this is the equation. And any line which is parallel to y-axis, x-axis, the equation is y is equal to a. Understood?
Yeah.
So you can do this. Next question. So I think you might be able to do this in a very quick session.
Yeah.
Just by looking at it, you can tell me.
I think it's 270 degrees.
Counterclockwise around the origin.
Yeah.
Okay. So either you can say 90-degree counterclockwise, or you can say 270-degree counterclockwise. You have to say counterclockwise as well.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can check the points as. So you can check the point. So z is how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, minus 4. And this is what? Minus 4, 0. Are you getting it?
Yes.
But they are telling from black to red. Sorry. So we have to go like this.
It's 270 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees.
Yeah, or 90-degree counterclockwise. You can say any one of them. Understood now? Let us check again. So j is what? J is minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5, minus 3. So you have to flip this. When you flip this, you will get 3, minus 5. So 3, minus 5, you can check. This is 3. No, this is 2. So this is also minus 2. Sorry. This is minus 2 only. Okay. So 2, minus 5. You can check. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So just by looking at it, you will not take time as well. See how fast we did it. We practice.
Only like 1 mark.
Maybe.
Oh no, I remember the marking for this question.
Okay. So next question.
Oh, sorry. So there's like multiple parts to this question. This is like sequences. One of them is.
Yeah, don't worry, I got that.
Okay.
So you can see what is happening actually. 4 is adding on all the cases. Can you see that?
Yes.
So the first term is known as A is equal to 1 and D is known as common difference, which is 4. Are you getting it?
Yes.
A is known as the first term, which is 3. Sorry, which is 3. No, one triangle. Okay, they are just counting the number of triangles. Okay. So next question. The question is starts from A.
Yeah. It's very confusing the way they format it.
Describe how stage 2 includes 5 triangles. So how to describe that? So you will say A is equal to 1. D, I think the equation might be given somewhere. Is there any equation given? Write down the missing values in the table up to row 6. Okay. Describe in words for the patterns for the number of triangles T. Okay. So I am just confused in one of the part.
So I think by describe they mean just write down what you can see.
Describe how stage 2 includes 5 triangles. So you will write because 4 triangles was added to stage 1 triangle. Number of triangles.
So you'll say that the inner vertices and then you'll say that there's also an outer vertex with edges. So that also makes a 5 triangle.
Okay, but I don't think so that will be the correct answer. I think the way that they're describing is okay, fine.
There's only one mark.
Okay, so you can say that 4 triangles.
That's how you describe for one mark.
Okay, so the 5 triangles you got by 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one.
Yeah.
So there was one big triangle, and then you have got 4 inner triangles.
Yeah.
So 4 inner triangles were added to one big triangle, right?
Yeah.
By joining the midpoints of all the sides of the triangle. You can see all the triangles were found by joining the midpoints of the triangles. Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now they are asking you to write down the missing values in the table up from row 1 to 6. So you can see just by they are adding 5.
Yeah.
So after for 4. So 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking describing in words for the pattern for the number of triangles. So you will say number of So number of triangles is equal to. So let me write the equation for you. So you can see that 4 was added. No, first let me tell you how to write the equation, okay? So what was the first triangle? So 1 was there in the first. After that, what was being added? 4 was added. Are you getting it? So you will write 4n and tell me 4 is how much, 1 is how much less than 4? 3. So you will write 4n minus 3. Okay, this is very easy. Let me tell you how to do that. Suppose I start, you tell me any number from your mind, simple numbers.
5.
5. And tell me a number which you will add to this number, the constant number.
2.
So your equation is 5, 7, 9, 11 like this, right? Now what is the constant number that you added? So first you will write 2n. Okay. Now the first number is how much more than 2? 3. So the equation is 2n plus 3. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
See, you substitute 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2, 5. You substitute 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 is 7. 3, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 is 11. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. So you don't even really need the arithmetic.
No. That is not required. You can write like this as well.
It's simple.
It's more simple. So let me give you one question more. So 6, 9, 12, 15. Can you tell me what will be the equation for this?
3n plus 3.
Correct. Suppose I write -1, 4, and then you have 9. What will be the equation for this?
Is the common difference 5?
Yes. So first you will write 5n.
5n plus 3.
No, how plus 3?
Minus.
Yes. 5n minus 6. Because 5 minus 6 is -1. You need to go to -1. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So this is easy now. You can verify as well. Immediately put the value 3. So 5 into 3, 15 minus 6 is 9. So it is happening. So can you tell me what will be the equation for this? What is the common difference?
4.
So 4n. What is the first value? 1.
1.
So if you want to make 4n minus 3, beta, you are subtracting.
You're subtracting?
Yeah. 4 plus 3 is 7 actually. The first triangle has not 7, beta. It has got 1 only. So 4 minus 3 is 1. How you will reach from 4 to 1? By subtracting 3. So it is 4n minus 3. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Sure.
Yes, sir.
Write down the general rule for t in terms of n. So you will write t is equal to 4n minus 3. But describe in words. So you will say number of triangle is equal to 3 less than 4 times. 3 less than 4 times number of stage. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
They are asking to describe in words for the 2 patterns for the number of triangles. So where are the 2 patterns?
Yeah, that's the thing. You have to find more than just one pattern, and you just need to write it down.
Okay, so there are the 2 patterns. Stage 2. This is stage 2. No, but this is the figure for the previous question only. So every triangle is being made. So every pattern is made by putting joining the midpoints of the consecutive triangles. Are you getting it? Joining the midpoints of the sides of the innermost triangle. Every time you are getting 4 more triangles. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting 4 more triangles. One was already there, 4 more. So a triangle has got 3 sides. So if you join all the 3 points, you will get 4 triangles. So that's why 4 is increasing. So you understood the pattern now?
Yeah.
Good one. Investigate the values in the table to find a relationship for the perimeter P in terms of n. Okay. So verify the rule for the T. So T means number of triangles is equal to 4n minus 3. So verify means you will put n is equal to 1, you will get 1. When you put n is equal to 2, you will get 5. When you put n is equal to 3, you can verify. Are you getting it? Verification means substitute the value and check.
Yeah.
The table below shows the perimeter changes with side length of the outer triangle. So it is 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 12. You can see. So for 5, it will become 10. Okay, and this will become 10 into 3, 30. Are you getting it? You find the pattern, every number is being multiplied by 3.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to you?
Yeah.
Because those are equilateral triangle, I think.
They are.
Okay. So you can see that the side length of the outer triangle is 2. So you know what? The inner length is reduced by half. Are you getting it? Because
Yes.
every time you are joining the midpoint. So if the side length of the outer triangle is 1, 2, 4, 8. 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Then I think, wait. Okay. Sorry. There is a mistake, beta.
Oh.
So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So the perimeter will be 16 into 3 will be 48. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Then 16 into 2 will be 32. And 32 into 3 will be 96. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Try to find the pattern top to bottom. So I saw that 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 2. Here 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12 into 2, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 2, 96. So you can find like this as well. Are you getting it?
Yeah. GP. Yes, sir.
It is AP only. How? Yeah, GP? Yes, GP. It is GP, correct.
Oh. That's why I said that I have a bit of issue with GP.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So they are asking, investigate then the values in the table to find the relationship between the perimeter in terms of n. That's a beautiful question. That means we need to find the pattern, how it is related to this. So if you look initially, you can find that 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 6 is 24, 5 into something is not 48, 6 into 16 is 96. Okay. So that means they are not a simple multiplication. So 3 into stage n, side length. Okay. So I can say, if I look at it better carefully, I can understand that this can be written as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
And then every number was multiplied to 3 if you look at it carefully. This was multiplied by 3 because a triangle has 3 sides. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So the first number is actually, instead of 1, it is 0. So you can write it like this: 2 to the power n minus 1 multiplied by 3. Just check it out if it is working or not. Just check it out.
Okay, so so 2 to the power, let's say 2 minus 1, that's 2 to the power 1.
Into 3 is 6.
Okay.
Then 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 4. 4 into 3 is 12.
12.
Are you getting the stage and the perimeter
Yes.
relationship?
So how did you find it? Like if you were to use the formula, because the formula never works.
No, so I found it. Tell me, I just let you know how to think. So first I thought this particular ratio, okay? So this you also thought, I think this might not be difficult for you.
Yeah.
Okay, now see this. You need to find the relationship between here to here. But you know the relationship from here to here. Are you getting it? So if we get to see the relationship between these two, then we can find the answer. Are you getting it? So if I look at this pattern, I found it that this is 2 to the power 0. This is 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. So when 6 is there, it is 5, means lessened by 1. When 5 is there, it is 4, so lessened by 1. So that means 2 to the power n minus 1, it is lessened by 1. First pattern.
Yeah.
After doing that, you multiply it by 3 to reach to the second pattern.
Yes.
Understood now?
Yeah. But can you use that an is equals to a to the power ar to the power
No.
n?
Yeah, so this is what? This is r only. This is what being told to you. So you can write like this. So perimeter is equal to, so your a is 3 and r to the power, r means 2 to the power n minus 1. This is what is being given to you.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? So in this equation, what is a? A is 2. What is r? R.
A is 2 though. Because I thought a was the first one.
No, a is 3. Sorry, a is 3.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. A is 3, r is 2. Understood?
B multiplied by 2
Yeah.
to the power n minus. Okay, understood.
If you compare this with this equation, you will get p is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Every number is being constantly multiplied by 3, so that doesn't play any role. So what is the fixed value which is being multiplied? So that is 2. Common ratio. This is known as common ratio. Common ratio. R. Understood now?
Yes.
Investigate the values in the table B. Okay. So in your answer, you should communicate the following in the organized in the code. Predict more values and record these in table. Describe the words in the pattern in the table. So you can say the perimeter of the triangle is 3 times the 2 to the power length of, that you can say. Describe in words the pattern table of perimeter. Write down in general rule for P in terms of n. This is just we wrote. P is equal to 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1. Test and verify your general rule for P. So you will place the value of P and n and you can just test it. Justify your general rule for P in relation with the triangles. Okay, understood this part?
Yes.
You want to check this answer for in the chat GPT? If you want, I can just help you out. Okay.
It's easy, so like.
Okay. So I need to tell you more about quadratic.
Yes.
So quadratic is actually, see, if I multiply two numbers, two zeros, see this. If I multiply x minus 1 into x minus 3, or let me say x plus 1 or x plus 3, what I will get? So I will get x square plus 3 plus 1 is 4x plus 3. Are you getting it?
Yes.
If I take both the terms negative, what I will get? X square minus 4x plus 3 again. Are you getting it? See, we have a algebraic identity. I don't know whether you know about it or not. So x plus a into x plus b is actually, suppose you multiply x into x, you will get x square. X into b is bx. X into a is ax. And a into b is ab. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So you will write x square plus in bracket you will write a plus b times x plus ab. Okay, so that means these two numbers you will just add and put the coefficient of x. Put as a coefficient of x and you multiply them and put as a constant. So a quadratic has got three parts. First part is x square, second part is linear, that is a plus b times x plus ab. So if I ask you generally, what could be x plus 3 into x minus 1? Can you tell me?
So x square.
What is 3 minus 1? 2x.
So we were doing first, you know, the first one, then the second. So it'd be x, okay. So x into x, then x into minus 1, then 3 into x, then 3 into minus 1, then you solve it out.
Yeah, so that's what I'm telling you to see that in a quick session, beta. So what
Yeah.
you need to do is, first you will write this as a square, okay?
Yes.
If it has not got any coefficient, then you will add these two numbers. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2x. Then you will multiply these two numbers. So minus 3. So this should be your answer.
Yes.
Let me show you on other page as well. Let me take two more numbers. Let me say 4 and 5. So if I ask you what is x plus 5 into x plus 4, can you tell me?
So it will be x squared
Correct? Plus,
plus
what is 5 plus 4?
9.
9x plus, what is 5 into 4?
20.
Okay, you look at it. See what is happening actually. You know what is coefficient, what is a constant?
Yeah.
See this. When x is multiplied by x, you will get x square.
Yes.
When x is multiplied by its constant, you will get one coefficient, that is 4x. And when this 5 will be multiplied by this x, you will get 5x. So we add 5 and 4 together to make 9. And then we multiply 5 and 4 to make the constant, third part. Are you getting it now?
Yes.
Okay, if I ask you what is x plus 6 into x plus 8, can you tell me what is x plus 6 into x plus 8?
So it will be x squared plus 13x.
14x, correct?
14x squared. Plus 8.
48. 48. Are you getting it?
Yes.
If I subtract both of them, then what is the change that you will have? The only change will be, instead of 14x, you will get minus 14x.
Yeah.
Okay, now I am just changing one of them with the negative sign, other one is the positive. Now see what change you will see. Now instead of adding, they are subtracting now. So what is 8 minus 6? 2. And what is 8 minus 8 into minus 6? Minus 48. Now you look at this constant part. It is negative. Can you see that?
Yes.
Now if I change the higher number with negative and the lower number with positive, the only change you will see that this 2x will become minus 2x. So x square minus 2x minus 48. These are the four kind of quadratic that you will come to see.
Yeah.
How many kinds? 4 kinds. So let me see, if I give you two numbers, can you tell me 4 kind of quadratics quickly? 2 and 6. Tell me what are the 4 kind of quadratics that you can have?
Because you can have x plus 2 and then x plus 6.
So what will come? X square plus?
X squared plus 8x plus 12.
Very good. And then what will come?
X minus 2
X.
and x minus 6.
Yeah, so what will happen? Only 8x will become minus 8x.
Yeah. Thanks.
And then what is the third kind of it? So you will do 6 minus 2. X plus 6,
Yeah.
x minus 2. So you will have minus 2. So x square plus 4x minus 12. This time it will be minus 12.
Yeah.
And then the last one is x square minus 4x minus 12.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? So you will be given this, but you have the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right?
Yeah.
But you can do this by splitting the middle term as well. So how to do the middle term? So you have to think for two numbers whose multiplication is 12 and subtraction is 4. So the answer is 6 and 2. So immediately you can find these are x plus 6 and x minus 2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
You tell me any quadratic from your own mind. I will tell you. You think of two numbers in your mind. Okay, just make them in any pattern and let me know any quadratic. I will tell you what are the two numbers that you thought. You tell me this quadratic, I will tell you how to think.
X plus.
No, don't say x plus a. Just tell me this final result, any of the 4 results. You take any two numbers, tell me any of the final result.
X squared minus 5x plus 2.
Plus 2.
Yeah.
You can't get 2, beta. You can't get 2.
Yeah, that's not possible. Then make it plus 10.
No, you can't get 10 as well. See, what are the two numbers that you thought?
I didn't think. I just started guessing.
No. You think of two numbers, beta. See, we are doing with the real life application problems.
Okay.
So think of two numbers and then tell me the final answer, final result. I will tell you how to think of that. You can take any number positive, any number negative, both positive, both negative. You can take any number. Just let me know.
Okay. X square minus 8 minus 16.
8x minus 16.
Yeah.
Okay. Minus 16 means it can be written as 4 into 4. 16. No, I think you are making some mistake, my dear.
Okay, wait.
It should be plus 16. It should be plus 16.
Yeah, plus.
So you thought of x minus 4 whole square.
Yeah.
See how I got to know. So first what I did, I just saw this number and tried to break down into its factor. So 16 and 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So here it is not 8. So I then again broke down into 4 into 4. Are you getting it?
Yes.
And 4 plus 4 is 8. So I thought the number as x minus 4 into x minus 4. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
You can think of any other two numbers, or let me think and you tell me. Tell me.
Okay. Sir, so does it have to equate?
No,
two at the
no.
same
You first thing you have to think of this 24. You tell me all the factors of 24. How you will do that?
So wait, for C value, we have to find two numbers that multiply, and then
That multiply to give you C and added to give you B.
Okay. So
But since it is negative, so one of the number is positive and negative. Are you getting it? And when you add those numbers, they will subtract. So by looking at this sign, you can immediately check that subtraction of two number must be 2 and the multiplication must be 24.
yeah. Okay, I'm thinking. Oh, that's 2 volts. Yeah.
So the numbers are between this pattern.
6 times 4.
Yes. So what will be the answer? The greater number is positive because this is positive. So x plus 6 and x minus 4. So this is, you can quickly find out. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
But it's okay if you are not getting this, then you can find out using the quadratic formula. You know the formula? Sure?
Yeah.
Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Then all the pictures has been solved now. Now, from where to start? So geometry, rotation about a given point, you know, movement in a plane, isometric transformations, you know, how much more ahead, enlargement, tessellations, bearings, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, statistics, sampling techniques, data manipulation, misinterpretation, graphical representation, including bivariate graphs, scatter plot. These can't be tell in a single day. Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever you have learned. Okay. Okay, relative frequency, response rate, histograms, frequency, polygon, set theory, probability. I think probability, events, Venn diagrams, tree diagrams, you know, sample spaces, how to solve them. All you remember, all those questions like C, NC, R, NC, those questions you remember?
Yeah.
Sine rule, cosine rule, Pythagoras theorem, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trigonometry you want to understand?
Oh, no, sir, I didn't want to.
You know trigonometry, arithmetic, quadratic, geometric series?
Yes,
Let's do some questions then.
Okay.
Find 40 as a product of prime factors. I think that is easy.
Yeah,
2 into 2 into 2 into 5.
yeah.
Okay. Consider two sets A and B. Set A contains factors of 40 and set B contains multiples of 4 less than 21.
I don't know something.
You know about these questions?
Consider two sets A and B. A contains factors of 40 and B multiples of 4 less than 21. Okay? Determine missing out. Okay, yeah.
So what is in A? So 1, 2.
5.
No, first you will write 4.
4.
Then 10.
8 and 12 would be in here.
Okay, you go serially and counter it. So for 1 you get 40, 2 you will get 20, 4, 10, 5, 8. Okay? Yeah. Now the multiple of 4 less than 21. So 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12. Then you can be asked what is A union B, what is A intersection B.
And then you can
find the missing values. So you can find this, I think.
Yeah.
A intersection B, you know what is A, this is A minus B, this is B minus A.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
Yeah.
Write down the elements of A intersection B. You can easily down.
Yeah.
What is common in both of them? You can write down. What is in A but not in B? You can write it separately here. What is in B but not in A? You can write it separately here.
Yeah.
Describe the properties of the elements of A intersection B in the context of the problem. Okay. Here is a box and whisker plot of the Nobel laureates in physics. Hover over the box and whisker plot to reveal the value. So when you will touch this, it will tell you 52 point something.
Yeah.
So this is easy, you can do it.
Yeah.
Model means the highest value which comes many a times.
Yeah.
Cumulative frequency graph. Using cumulative, find the estimate of the probability to the next. I don't know how to do this question. Okay.
Oh no, don't wait. That's wait. Oh. Just let me read the question.
See this.
Yeah. Okay. That's easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
To find the estimate of the probability that next novel medicine will be below 50 years old. This is the video. Credit card machine readers check the validity of the credit card numbers using a special set of steps called Lun algorithm. A Lun algorithm validity check is made following these steps. Double every second digit, starting with the first digit from the left. If the double digit is 2-digit number, add the 2 digits together and write down the result. Add all the digits together to get the final total. If the final total is divisible by 10, the credit card number is valid. If the final total is not divisible by 10, then the credit card number is not valid. Wow.
There's a lot of information I did not know that.
Yes. Determine the missing digits represented by the letters A, B, C and D, E to complete the table below. To insert your answers in the table, click inside the box and replace the letters with your answer and add label box. Okay.
My God.
Justify why the credit card number is invalid. After the Lun algorithm is applied, the final total is 61 plus x. Determine the value of x. Okay, I have to sit and do the rest of part of the questions.
That's okay.
Just give me a minute.